Sleeping lamps are very important for those who cannot sleep in a full light or in a dark state. No sleep, lamps are not only functional, but also add beautiful rooms.
You can also decorate your room with a unique and no less cool homemade light. We will provide 2 tips for making homemade sleeping lights.
How
How
are the benefits?
Here it is.
The first benefit is detoxification. Detoxification of the body, especially in the liver, will be achieved maximally when sleeping.
The second benefit is this hormone function closely with the body's immunity.
Improve brain performance indirectly. The facts say that proper sleep can improve memory as well as prevent senile or dementia during the elderly.
The fourth benefit, reducing overwhelming can do at some time by turning off the lights before sleep.
Okay guys, next we'll to share about how to make sleeping light. Not much is aware that the garbage can be processed into something more useful and has aesthetic pillow. One of which is a bed lamp made from cardboard in the third order of tutorial makes.
Our homemade sleeping lamps will give you a tutorial how to make a night light or sleeping lamps from a used cardboard. Okay, this is about tools and materials.
Number 1. Use box cardboard.
Black marker or as you wish.
Glue suit or glue gun can also glue ordinary paper.
Duct tape, scissor, cutter, ruler, and ballpoint. Paper.
Cable, small LED light, jack or power plug, and lamp holder. Wheel steps, scissor, the top cover of the second box. Cut pattern length 1 cm from the box edges. Then cut following patterns until the 6 shaders are clipped all over. Color all of the sides with a black marker. With a pattern the remaining paper piece of the box like in the pictures. Cut lightly so that it can be bent. Glue each corner of the clamp with the clothespin to the shape of the pattern. And measure the lamp box to the foot of the box and make a mark.
Place a lamp box holder so as not to remove it to paste in the foot box.
Bind using the box holder nut and paste it according to the pattern.
Cut the white paper box just to fit into the lime box. Then glue the inside of the box and pass the paper in the inside.
Close all with paper except the bottom of the place to enter the lamp. Prepare the lamp set in the seat and create a pattern in the middle of the leg box. Create another small circle inside it.
Cut a small circle in the middle, then tie the light with a marker. Free color. If you order at the foot of the box.
Attach the lamp mount and make sure the cable is square. Place the lamp color free and the lid of the top lamp box.
Last step, turn on the light in a dark place.